Hi, my name is Brian from SEAI, and today we're going to look at a house that's had a heat pump installed with an SEAI grant. So we're going to take you through the house today and see everything that was involved. There's lots of good reasons to invest in a heat pump for your home. The main one being that it makes it much more comfortable. It's a stable temperature inside. You also have a cleaner indoor environment as well. And also by making your home healthier and comfortable, you're doing your bit for the environment by moving away from dirty fossil fuels. So this home was almost heat pump ready. There was just a couple of things they needed to do. They pumped insulation to the cavity of the wall, they replaced the back and front door, and they replaced the sliding doors as well. So this will be the most common type of heat pump in Ireland. It's called an air-to-water system. And as you can see outside, it's located very close to the house. And that's because everything happens within this unit. So you've got your hot water coming out and it's going through insulated pipeworks. And the less traveling it does to your house, the better it is for your system. There's other types of systems that come within that. So this one's called a monoblock. So everything happens within here and you've got your hot water coming out the back into the house. One of the common misconceptions people have about heat pumps is that they're noisy. As you can hear from this unit now, there's no noise from it. It's the same kind of thing you'd hear from a boiler outside your house or even from a fridge inside your house. So as we said already, everything comes from this unit. So this sends the hot water into the house through insulated pipes. And from there, it's pretty much like any gas or oil boiler you've had. It goes around pipework and through the radiators and heats your house. One of the questions we get are, do heat pumps only work with underfloor heating? And that's not true. They work with radiators really efficiently as well. If you're doing a big piece of work to your house where you're renovating and replacing floors, then it would be a good idea to put underfloor heating there as well because they can operate even more efficiently than with radiators, but it's not necessary. Radiators can get a very good level of efficiency with your heat pump as well. So where a heat pump is different to a boiler is that a boiler operates up and down throughout the day and it goes on and off and the temperature drops after it's turned off. A heat pump is constantly maintaining the temperature at the same level inside. And where that's different inside is that the radiators are slightly lower temperatures. They feel cooler than what you're used to, but they're still keeping the temperature comfortable inside. Another common question we get is, do we have to rip up pipework and radiators? And that will change house to house. In this particular case, the homeowner just needed to replace 2 to 3 radiators. So this is our heat pump control panel. It'll change from make to make and model to model, but this is where it's set up. Ideally, you don't actually want to do anything with your control panel. The installer, when they're installing the system, will take you through everything, and based on what you want and what your needs are in the house for heat and hot water, they'll set everything up for you. It's very different to a gas or an oil boiler where you have to interact with them every day. You don't need to do anything with your heat pump except with maybe the thermostats. So there are a couple of questions you will need to ask your installer. So first and foremost, are they registered with SEAI because they need to be for the grant? Secondly, what kind of heat pump suits me and my house and the needs I have for heat? Thirdly, what kind of work is involved? Is there much disruption? Do I need to replace pipework? Do I need to replace radiators? Then we move into the after sales question. Who services it? How often does it need to be serviced? Is it the installer? Is it someone else that needs to do it? How long is the warranty for the heat pump? And before they leave, make sure you're fully happy that you know how to operate your heat pump system. So ask any questions you need to ask them. As we've seen in this house, the transition from a fossil fuel boiler to heat pump can be really easy. To find out more information about heat pumps and the grants we have available, go to seai.ie.